क्लास 12 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वीडियो है खास तौर से। और हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट यानी कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट। कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट में एक्चुअली बहुत सारे आइटम होते हैं, तो उन आइटम्स को एक एक करके ये भैया हमारे साथ हैं सागर वर्मा, आपको बताएंगे और एक फ्लो में ये सारे आइटम बोलते हुए चले जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए शुरू करते हैं। तब आइटम्स ऑफ कंपनी बैलेंस शीट अराउंड 154 आइटम है ये टोटल। ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे।
Equity and liability, shareholder fund, share capital, authorized nominal registered capital, issued capital, subscribed and fully paid up, subscribed but not fully paid up, minus calls and arrears, called up share capital, paid up share capital, amounts in forfeited shares account, reserves and surplus, capital reserve, capital redemption reserve, securities premium, debentures redemption reserve, revaluation reserve, shares option outstanding account, separate debit balance sheet statement of P&L account, other reserves, money received against share warrant, share application, money pending allotment, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. These borrowings are payable after 12 months. Debentures, bond, term loans from bank, term loans from other parties, public deposits, other loans and advances, deferred tax liabilities, other long-term liabilities, state payables, also for bills payable, premium payable on redemption of debentures, premium payable on redemption of preference shares, long-term provision for retirement benefit, provision for warranty claim, provision for gratuity, provision for unleaved, current liabilities, short-term borrowings, loans repayable on demand, bank overdraft or cash credit from banks, current maturity of long-term debt, loan from other parties, deposits, other loans and advances, state payables, other current liabilities, unpaid dividend, unclaimed dividend, income received in advance, calls in advance, outstanding expenses, excess applicant, money refundable, interest accrued, day alone, interest accrued and due on borrowings, interest accrued but not due on borrowings, provident funds payable, ESI payable within 12 months, unpaid mature debentures and interest accrued thereon, short-term provision for employees, benefit provision for expenses, provision for tax, other provisions, assets, non-current assets, property, plant and equipment, tangible assets, property, plant and equipment, land and building machinery, furnished fixtures, computers, vehicles, office equipment, tangible assets, goodwill, brands, trademarks, computer software, publishing titles, mining rights, copyrights, patents, license, franchise, capital work in progress, property under construction, plant and equipment under construction, patents under intangible assets under development, patents under development, intellectual property right, non-current investment, investment in property, investment in equity instrument, investment in preference shares, investment in government or trust securities, investment in debentures or bonds, investment in mutual funds, investment in partnership firms, other non-current investments, deferred tax assets, long-term loans and advances, capital advances, advance given for purchase of tangible and intangible assets, long-term loans to employees, long-term advances to suppliers, other non-current assets, security deposit for electricity, BSNL, broadband, gas connection, long-term trade receivable, insurance claim receivable, current assets, current investment, investment in equity instrument, investment in preference shares, investment, government trust security investment, debenture bond investment, in mutual fund investment, partnership firms, inventories, stock, raw material, work in progress, finished goods, stock and trade, stores and spares, loose tools, trade receivables, debtors, bill receivables, less provision for doubtful debts, cash and cash equivalents, balances with banks, drafts, checks, cash in hand, others earmarked balances with banks held as margin money, bank deposit with more than 12 months maturity, short-term loans and advances, other current assets, prepaid expense, accrued income, dividend receivable, advance taxes. That's all my friends.